What is bankruptcy discharge in New Jersey? A bankruptcy discharge eliminates your legal responsibility to repay certain debts, giving you relief from creditors' collection actions. Once a court issues a discharge order, you are released from personal liability on specified debts and creditors can no longer garnish wages or file lawsuits. Not all debts can be discharged. Child support, alimony, most student loans, recent tax debts and debts from fraud remain enforceable. The chapter under which you file determines which debts can be wiped out and how long the process takes. Chapter 7 eliminates most unsecured debts without a repayment plan, and a discharge is typically entered within 3 to 4 months. Filing a Chapter 7 petition triggers an automatic stay that stops lawsuits, foreclosures and collection calls, and a trustee reviews your finances and exemptions. You must attend a meeting of creditors and the trustee decides whether non-exempt assets can be sold to repay creditors. Exemptions protect certain property. To qualify for Chapter 7, your income must pass a means test comparing it to the New Jersey median. Credit counseling and debtor education are required. If your income exceeds the median, you may need to file Chapter 13, which involves proposing a repayment plan over 3 to 5 years while keeping your property. Under Chapter 13, the plan prioritizes certain debts. After court approval, you make monthly payments to a trustee and remaining unsecured debts are discharged upon completion. A hardship discharge under Section 1328(b) can eliminate debts early if circumstances beyond your control, such as serious illness or job loss, make it impossible to finish the plan. Student loans require a separate adversary proceeding and proof of undue hardship before they can be discharged. Tax debts may be discharged only if specific timing rules are met. A table in the article shows that credit card debt, medical bills and personal loans are dischargeable while child support, most student loans and recent tax debts are not. After receiving a discharge, creditors are permanently prohibited from collecting discharged debts. You should keep your discharge order and provide it to any creditor who contacts you. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy remains on your credit report for up to 10 years, and a Chapter 13 case for up to 7 years, but timely payments and responsible credit use can rebuild credit. Creditors may file objections to discharge specific debts or challenge the entire discharge, typically alleging fraud or misconduct, and these objections must be filed within strict deadlines. You may enter a reaffirmation agreement to remain liable for a secured debt like a car loan or mortgage despite the discharge. Court approval may be necessary to ensure no undue hardship. The Bankruptcy Code imposes waiting periods between filings. Generally, you must wait 8 years between Chapter 7 cases and different periods apply for Chapter 13 after a previous case. Filing for bankruptcy requires careful preparation because missing deadlines, failing to list assets or debts or making errors can delay your discharge or even result in dismissal or prosecution. Daniel Straffi Jr. is a New Jersey bankruptcy attorney admitted to practice in New Jersey, Pennsylvania and federal court. He focuses on representing individuals and businesses in bankruptcy. His experience on both sides of bankruptcy cases, service as a mediator and membership in the bankruptcy bar associations give him insight into protecting clients' assets and meeting trustee requirements. Straffi and Straffi Attorneys at Law handles cases in the United States Bankruptcy Court for the District of New Jersey and offers flexible payment plans for clients throughout Ocean County. A knowledgeable lawyer at this law firm can evaluate your finances, explain which debts can be eliminated and guide you through meetings, filings and communications with trustees and creditors. This law firm's bankruptcy lawyer will review your financial situation and help you decide whether to file Chapter 7 or Chapter 13. Working closely with a lawyer from this law firm ensures you follow all procedures and increases your chance of obtaining a discharge. For counsel from a dedicated attorney, call Straffi and Straffi Attorneys at Law at 732-341-3800 or visit their office at 670 Commons Way, Toms River, New Jersey, 08755.